Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. In tonight's video is just a little exercise in what I call working on half of your clip art. I don't know, these butterflies are exactly the same with the exception of the top one has this round circle here where this one doesn't. And this one, I've made the balls bigger in that little area. I'm not saying it's better, but I just thought I'd show you how to do this. I was playing around with this tonight. So I've already got the butterfly vector, and I'm going to put them in the center of the page. This is kind of a fun project, and you can use it for more than one thing or a bunch of different things. We're going to work on this butterfly, and we're going to change it. And I'm going to make it a little bit different than all the rest of them. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to get my shape tool, and I'm going to get rid of, say, that node, and I'm going to select, and this is where your alternate key will help you lasso those two nodes, and I'm going to bring them closer together. I guess I should have deleted that node, and I'm just going to bring them in a little. Well, let's just grab the line, and then we'll get rid of that node. So we're making this actually skinnier, and I did this years ago when I was making a butterfly bench, and I didn't want these big gaps for your back, so I'm doing probably just the opposite to stick through on the butterfly itself. Well, let's get rid of some of these other nodes, and let's get him really close to here. And one thing that's kind of neat about it, you're making your own butterfly and make it a little bit different. Now let's take an ellipse, and let's do not hold down the shape tool. We'll get a elongated shape tool. We'll go ahead and turn him red. We'll bring him over here, and we'll rotate him into this spot, and we'll get him down a little bit more to make him look a little more perfect. And let's see what our nudge factor is. We'll set it on 0.25 of an inch because this butterfly is pretty big, and we're just going to go down where it kind of looks even. Then I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to delete that line and that line and that line and that line. So now I've kind of got something going on kind of like the bottom. Then you need to take him and select it all. I had my zoom tool. Just select them all and weld them together. Okay, but now you can see they're not equal. Okay, press P on the keyboard. He's back in the center of the page for sure. Take a straight two-line pointer. Hold down your control key so it draws perpendicular, and press P on the keyboard. Then take your virtual segment delete key and just delete half the butterfly. Then take your line away, grab your butterfly and select him and Control D and make a duplicate. Keep your finger on the control button and move it to the right, and then color fill it. And now you've got a different butterfly than all the rest of them. Pretty quick, simple, and it's now symmetrical. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.